Guys, I don't think my dad's gonna make it. He's redlining, and the Redline Raptor just got finished.
Redline Raptor? I'm good. Let's go. Can you believe it? It's here. I thought I was done for. I thought that my life was over, y'all. I thought it was the end. The Redline has revived me. Brady Rambo, thank you, big dog. Couldn't have done it without you. Our great staff has hooked us up with the Redline Gen 3 INDORAPTOR. 2022 Akins Ford F-150 Raptor Redline INDORAPTOR. On 37s, this is the baddest we've done, especially from the price point, y'all. We are almost at 130 grand, but there is so much value in what we added. Essentially, do you remember, this was a black, but it has gray grille, gray bumper, gray fenders, etc. Did paint match body color, a gate black throughout, and what makes this special is the amount of detail that we put into each and every build. Inside the headlight, there was amber there, did red along there, and blacked out complete. There's actually chrome around your high beam and low beam, did a gate black on the grille, just the perimeter stencil on your Ford letters for that added detail and premiumness. Double fog kit light, did that body color, took away the texture in your front bump pads, did body color on your skid plate down below, just to clean it up and make this even better than a Raptor R. It's just sitting here and it just needs that big bad engine, but this is still an impressive EcoBoost with 450 horsepower and over 510 pound-feet of torque. Still an impressive power plant. Up top on the heat extractor, did body color, removed all the texture throughout that. It's a lot of texture there. Did just the perimeter in race red. Side heat extractor as well, and we have rock lights throughout. We have red and white rock lights, so he has something for 360 camera, nighttime visibility, and red just to stunt with. 22x10 American Force Evolve wheels with a +12 offset and 37s-12.5 22 ridge grappler because he wanted a supple overall ride quality. RPG red upper control arms, looks incredible. We have RPG tie rod ends and the RPG bottom perch collar level kit as well. 37 on 22 still gives you ample plus ride quality, and still, I promise you all, you can take this off-road. I've done it time after time. Just because we're on 22s and 37s, you can still off-road. RPG rear upper and lower links, just a nice detail. 0.75 inch spacer in the rear too, so we got 1.5 inch level kit up front and a 0.75 spacer in the rear for that perfect stance. Our custom taillight package that you've become accustomed to, and that rear right there is just completely setting it off. Blacked out the third brake light, power bed cover from Retrax, Akins liner, guaranteed for life. It's subtle, but it is so legit. I love the way the red makes the vehicle just look like it is so much more premium and unique. It gives that sportiness to it that many manufacturers have used to make their vehicles, you know, a more special edition, but we do it all the time, y'all. We love this red and black combo. Here's a good look of the red rock light, showing off just a little bit, looking great. Even got them in the side heat extractor as well. Nighttime, that's gonna be unbelievable. Got red in the back too. As I mentioned, we also have the white rigid rock lights, harder to see than the red, but the white is going to give you better overall visibility at nighttime while using a 360 camera and backing up, maneuvering at nighttime. A true benefit inside the 3rd gen and 14th gen F-150. The big 12-inch touchscreen sets the stage, and all the interior components to me just feel that much more premium and elegant compared to the 13th gen and 2nd gen. The dash being more elongated makes the inside console area feel that much bigger. I just like what they did in making a great truck even better. And with the exhaust modes, drive modes, steering modes, and shock modes, this is a premier performance vehicle that's not as heavy as a TRX, more athletic and more well-rounded in my opinion. I love the Ford Raptor, but this Redline INDORAPTOR tops them all. The Baja Design Squadron Pro lights behind the grille give you amazing visibility while being behind the grille, subtle and discreet, plenty of light output. When I first started at Akins, I was blown away by how big and special this dealership was. is I noticed that there was a lot of potential on the Willies accessory side. I said, what can I do to make myself be known at such a big place? So I said, first of all, I want to make sure to do whatever I can for all the 330 employees to know who I am first and foremost. Then step 2 is letting you all know who I am, and then naturally you know what Willies and accessories is all about. It's not about Real Deal, it's about the end goal and mission of growing Akins and Willies to something even more special than it already is. I'm always gonna be in your face, you're gonna know about me, but the mission is Akins and Willies, and that's my goal when I wake up every single day. Maximize my days by getting up early and not wasting time. In my 20s, I wasted a lot of time playing video games, watching things on TV. I worked hard in my 20s, but not near as hard as I have now in my 30s. On my 30s, I went next level, but it's because I found something I'm truly passionate about. I found the vehicle, Akins Ford. It's a phenomenal dealership, the perfect fit for me and you, so you gotta come check us out. And from then, everything just started to snowball. The output, the focus, the mindset, the drive all started to magnify, and now you can't stop me. I promise you, every single day, no one's gonna outwork me. I'm bringing you content on the daily, and the vision comes to fruition right here behind me, y'all. It is something you gotta just come check out. Let's go. You know, when the World Champ Braves gear comes out and the Raptor swag, Vince Carter, one time, legendary, it is showtime. And I hope you've enjoyed this review of a beautiful, amazing Gen 3 Raptor. We took a regular Raptor and turned it into an INDORAPTOR. Truly something that is next level. That's what we're all about here at Willies at Akins. We have a car show here on site, August the 20th, 2022. I hope Garrett can come, and we want as many INDORAPTORs as possible to show up. It's gonna be a big showing there, lots of food, fellowship, free prizes, and discounts, as well as some special vehicles that you're just gonna have to come check out to see. This one right here, to me, looks a lot like a Raptor R. Even better with all of our custom paint work. Thanks so much for watching, y'all. If you enjoyed this, hit that subscribe button and also hit the like button. That's all I need from you to make sure that all great people like you get to see this cool video. Until next time, I've got 2 more white ones that are coming up next, so stay tuned for more. Thank you so much for watching. I greatly appreciate each and every one of you. Peace out.